Okay, are we ready?
Let's do it.
Good, because we're leaving anyway. Right away here we leave the airport over the FAU campus, as you can see. Football game tonight. Setting up all the concessions and all nice and painted. Kick off at 5 p.m. New overpass on Dixie Highway just below us here. Nice clear day. You can see downtown Fort Lauderdale pretty clearly.
Oh yeah.
On our left here, this is the neighborhood of Lighthouse Point. You can see there's quite a bit of canals and waterways cut into the intercoastal. Allows everybody to have their boats and toys on the other side of their swimming pools. Here, of course, we're coming up on the intercoastal proper. Quite a bit of boat traffic coming up and down. Got the Hillsborough Inlet with the drawbridge up. Hillsborough Lighthouse right on the point there. As we come around here where this water is breaking, this is the reef. As we come over it, you'll be able to see it nice and clearly. It's got that nice red color to it and the coral. There you can see where they've cut the channel in the reef for the inlet. Here's the lighthouse again on the point right there. These nice homes and large mansions, all part of the Hillsborough Mile, Millionaire Mile it's often called. This large house under construction, I've been told, is Adam Sandler's. Real nice beach here, of course. Good public access. A lot of people out on it today. Deerfield Fishing Pier sticking out in the water just in front of us. This little short white building with the green windows on our left here. This has rooftop swimming pools on it. Pretty cool looking.
Wow.
Just in front of us is the Boca Raton Inlet. You can see the current mixing with the ocean there. Leads right into Lake Boca, the square body of water with the boats on it. Big pink tower, pink buildings, and the golf course over there, all part of the Boca Raton Resort. On our left here, this is Meisner Park. You can see the palm trees running down the middle, the amphitheater at the end there. Notice we're coming back into the airport here. Pretty much coming in sideways to the runway because we're a helicopter and we're cool like that. You guys enjoy it? Did you have fun?
Yeah, that was great.